Hi everybody, we are going to make ice cream cone today. So paste this cone. After that we are going to draw colors, and then we are also putting these colorful clay balls on the top of the cone like this. Add more details like we are doing here, and look, your colorful ice cream cone is ready. Let's draw a beautiful painting. We are tracing lines around fingers. We are making carrot here, so color it orange like this. We are also making leaves using green clay. Press it. Now we are pressing this brown clay like this. We are also making ant using black clay. Paste googly eyes, and look, it is ready. Let's make a beautiful artwork. We are tearing this red circle, paste it on the sheet of paper. We are drawing watermelon. Draw green lines around it. We are also drawing black seeds, and look, it is ready. Now draw a ladder like this. We are also making ant using black clay, and look, it is ready. Let's make an easy drawing. We are making colorful monsters using these colorful sketch pens, and then we are going to make one-eyed monster. Draw its eyes, its legs using black marker. Add more details like this, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.